Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Enemies to physical immortality. Over to you, sir.
Hi, good afternoon to all of you all. Before I start, I'd like to thank Dr. Karthikeyan and Dr. Yugandhar to have us all the way from there. And without further ado, I'd like to just do a small introduction. Normally, they call us Amma and Swami, but in short, my name is, the full name, actual name, birth name is Shanmuga Sundaram. It's very long. So my friends used to call me Sam. Her name is, so they cut it short, take out a Sakti, join together, it becomes Samadhi. So they Samadhi us for everything. So why I always, most of the time, Amma is the one talking because Shiva is always quiet and meditating. Shakti is the one moving around, running, doing the talking, most of the, I wouldn't say in a bad way, but the noisiest way. So I would like to hand over the mic so she can continue with whatever. Then after that, then we have a special dedication to everybody. I wish that everybody stays back and enjoy it. Thank you.
Hari Om, Namaskar to everyone. A special thanks to Dr. Yugandhar and Dr. Karthikeyan and all divine Jyotis who are present here. Divine, lovely brothers and sisters in the shared breath of oneness. Swamiji did an introduction very beautifully. Nature itself, Shanmuga, Adi, you cut short, you have pet names, na? Sam Adi becomes Samadhi. So you guys should remember us by the tag name Samadhi. So I don't want to, throughout the whole, this is my first ever experience in a big, wonderful conference. I'm proud to be on this, sharing to be stage with all these beautiful. Usually I'm doing workshops and meditations and programs. For Dr. Yugandhar and World United to believe in Amma Adi Shakti and Shanmugam, it's a great honor. Let me tell you why. My beloved Guruji, Mahavatar Babaji, to me, it was told many years back, it is a true experience that I went through, that I received message that in year 2012, you both shall serve, even in a bigger way. So we were thinking, it's like, okay, we are doing our work. We went. And little did I know that the World United is the great energy behind it, the brain behind it is our beloved, our Jagat Guru, beloved Mahavatar Babaji. You see, there's so many children. I'm honoring all the masters and swamis and in the stage, and we are still little children. We are learning, by the way. We are students of the heart, and simply, I just want to do some dedication. I know the title says here, inner enemies to physical immortality. You know, physical immortality, what does that mean? I have to be very truthful. I'm still mortal. You can still see me. Mortality, it's more in the inner. So in the inner negative notion of it, that how we go through it, the end of the day, throughout the days that I've been here, what I've been, the three major keywords that Babaji had taught the both of us is to observe, acknowledge, and surrender. Observe everything, acknowledge everything, and surrender to everything. What it may be good, bad, and ugly, doesn't matter. Never distinguish that this is good or this is bad or ugly, but observe it as it is, acknowledge it as it is, and surrender to it. Then you will know. Like what the sister said, now I truly resonate with her. I truly resonate with everybody. Now it's my turn to sing to the plants too. See, now ancient tradition, all the Devis, you know, all the lovely divine mothers who are sitting here, everybody, whether you're male, female, within, without, everything. You know, Tulasi Puja has been there. We recite Tulasi mantra to the plants, correct? And outer Surya was talked about today, inner Surya that within us. See, Chandra Nadi, Surya Nadi in the breath, all the past few days, all the beloved divine brothers and sisters, what we all have been learning here is that breath is the ultimate. Breath is everything. Without this breath, we're nothing. So the real immortality is in the breath actually. Because the breath is the one that never goes stale. It is always as it is. The how to overcome the inner negativity, our ancient Siddhas did it very beautifully. They did not complicate things. They kept it as it is. But we, as we grew up, there were so many flavors to choose from, which is great also. But there's also this possibility. So likewise, it is a blessing for me to be here, sharing the stage again with beautiful soul sisters here. This brought tears to my eyes, I should say. When the plants were singing, my God. Can you imagine? These plants sing so beautifully than all of our yakety yaks in the mind. We are going off. Naturally, they are emitting so much, and yet, why are we not using the breath of ours to sing the greatness and emit the greatness out here? So, I understood yesterday's talk, so many speakers, I couldn't get their names very clearly, but whatever it is, I remember them in the shared breath of oneness, of brothers and sisters, to understand that they said everybody has a gift to share. So, I was asking myself, what was my gift here? Why am I here, Babaji? You tell me. Your gift is a householder lifestyle. Come, Swami, why are you standing there? You see, this is what a wife does always. You stay with me. Householders, we have 2 children. Babaji told us that you show to the world, being a grahastya, you can still do it. There's no such thing that you have to be only a sannyasi to do it. So Babaji selected maybe these 2 goons here to present in a good way, jokingly. See, I'm very like a child, I like to play a lot. In fact, I'm surprised with myself that I stood still for that long there. I'm like active, running around, playing and pinching people. That's what I am. So it's like I was telling myself and Amlananda, I should thank Amlananda here also, because if not for him, I would not have been here. Through Babaji, I came here through him in his form. So, like that, we being householders, we are showing the balance of Shiva Shakti energy. We are also bringing the balance of how in the family, bringing up such children in that environment, with their teachings, what Mahavatar, great ancient yogis, our Jagat Guru who just left, amazing, amazing Guru that I also adored in my heart. Ever since I met him here, this is the first time I'm seeing him in person. Where yoga, he talks about yoga and the ancient truth of yoga, and some are gifted to bend their body very flexibly. So some are not. So through the breath, there can be flexibility also. That's how great Kriya Yoga is. Through the breath, 5 bhakti, mantra, pranayama, asana, dhyana, all been there. But if one practices the breath, through the breath, everything raises. So again presenting here. I know we are running out of time, but I hope I get enough time to present what I want to present. So I humbly ask all brothers, sisters to open up your palm, sit straight if you can, to receive what I'm about to, not channel. I'm going to allow Mata Pratyangara Devi and Mahavatar Babaji's with their grace touching their feet. Yeah, I'm going to pass through whatever I can, whatever that's happening spontaneously for you guys to receive through the breath. Just like how these plants sang for you now. Through using the breath, how the mantras get infused into your being and how you feel the vibration of it. You need to understand. Then later I'll share what Babaji has asked me to share here on stage. So, first I would like to start the chant. And by that, we are here to serve each and every individual souls. We pranam to your Jodi. Well, we have a foundation called Ekatvam Foundation. It means the oneness. Ekatva means oneness, nothing else. And we are not having big ashrams, because Mataji told us, ashrams are so many in your hearts, that's where the ashram is, and we are supposed to light the Jyoti. And by serving every individual, we are serving the ashram. Great. That's our journey. Wherever we are called, that's a service to us. We are here as simple seva people to serve, and we want to thank with all humility and humbleness that each one of you giving your time here, it means to us a lot. You know why? You are sitting here with your temple. It gives us a greater opportunity to serve into your temple, to give you prasad, to clean up your ashram, to put flowers at your feet in the Hridaya Padma, to light the Jyoti inside of you. Now who can get this darshan every day? Tell me. If I can get this darshan every day, it's very, very beautiful. And I invite everybody to do this darshan to yourself and others beside you in fellowship of brotherhood and sisterhood, in shared breath of oneness. Right? So, Moola Ganapataye Namaha, Agnaye Namaha, Akara Ukara Makara Devyai Namaha, Tirinetraye Namaha, Icha Shakti Rubinyai Namaha, Jnana Shakti Rubinyai Namaha, Kriya Shakti Rubinyai Namaha, Ailokya Nayagiye Namaha, Om Sri Maha Pratyangira Devyai Namaha, Om Aim Hrim Shrim Om Aim Hrim Shrim Gaela Hrim Hasakahala Hrim Sakala Hrim. This is a beautiful Panchada Sakshari mantra, Sri Vidya mantra. No, it's okay. Raising such a way, usually people in that tradition say, very secret mantra. Don't share this mantra with anybody, they will say. See, I'm so sorry to say, I break traditions also. If it benefits, you have to. Only when you hear into the intonations of the breath movement inside, how it moves, how the ringaram inside works, then people can receive it. Our beloved divine brothers and sisters can receive it. So that is the gift that was given to me, and I understood many years back. And all the challenges and the hurdles that we crossed through, I understand there's been so many speaking engagements here. We want to bring the experience here also by not speaking, but speaking in a different way, just how like the plants are singing with mantras. Now, through that, overcoming inner negativities through the breath, as practicing the breath, this is how we overcame our inner negativity from physical immortality. Yeah? You will become such a light being. Any mantra it can be, even it can be I love you, I love you, I love you mantra. It can be any religion, any caste, any creed you can be. But if you convict yourself, this is what you want, this is what you shall achieve, you are breaking all of it and you are going within you to do it. It's the greater gift you can give to yourself, trusting yourself, giving love to yourself through that. I decided this is what I shall do, and I shall overcome my breath, to understand my breath, to be in my breath, to be in my truth, to share what is supposed to be. Like what I said, one example of it. People ever ask me, I'm just sharing one experience that I had in the US during a program. A philosopher, PhD holder or something, said that, please explain to me, what is mantra, yantra, tantra? And that guy told me, he's quite aged, he was about 60 plus. And I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? I don't know what to answer. And he said, I have asked the Himalayan master, Swami Rama. He has given me thesis on it. And I've asked Maharishi Mahesh Yogi as well. See, he is much more spiritually enlightened than me. And I was thinking, oh my God, I'm just a small fry coming here to share what I know. He's asking me. For a moment, I panicked first. My fear stepped in. False evidence appearing real. Then I said, no. If I were to trust in Babaji and the mother, then they would take over me. Why should I let my ego, even as fear, come in? So let it go. And I prayed to Babaji and the mother. And what happened was that I started sharing. 3 minutes sharing. A 1 minute sharing. What is mantra? I know everybody is talking about mantra, certain mantra. Through mantra you cannot attain, they say. I'm not here to make you believe in me. You have to believe in yourself. But to understand the dynamics of it, how it works inside of you. Mantra, yantra, tantra. The ancient rishis already put that out already through the Vedas and everything. What is mantra? For example, right now, my throat is dry. I'm telling, my brain its signal is going, I'm thirsty. Signal. That's a mantra within you. Brain signals receive the mantra. What would your mind do now? Will start to be in the Maya Loka, to imagine a cold glass of Coca-Cola or thumbs up with ice cubes. So yantra forms within you, na? Through the waves of the mantra. I am thirsty. Swirling energies. You want a cold icy water. You drink the icy water, but your brain tells you, walk to that fridge, open the fridge, take the bottle of a thumbs up, pour it in a cup and drink. That's tantra, methodology, application. So, what is that? Mantra, yantra, tantra was my explanation to you. See, it is very simple. I am thirsty. You create it. You get a glass of water. Then why go to temple and say, you never give me what I want in life? Your temple within, in the breath, you have to watch it. Yes. So, we have 5 more minutes, I'm told. I will try to keep time with my best of ability. In these 5 minutes, I really want everybody to erect your back straight. And you can put your hands. Yes. Now, this mantra that I'm going to sing to you, you can capture it in your heart, in your thing, just like I say mantra, yantra, tantra. There's 5 syllables to it. It's not even just a mantra. It is actually the sound waves of your breath. What happens is when you give these intonations, like what these plants did, it's proven here already, right here in this stage. I'm sure you are not that extra insensitive than a plant. We are human beings. We should be, capability is more, na? Correct? So, we have to remember, na, ma, si, va, ya. Great Siddha Tirumular has already broken the code of breath and gave it into the Siddha Tirumula mantra as into 5 permutations. Now, in our personal experience, we have done this mantra sadhana. Practice makes perfect, they say. See, I'm sure all brothers and sisters who are gathered here want some tips on how to practice and everything. There's so many tips have been given. This is not just the tip. This is the breath that we are giving to you. Feel free to use it and meditate upon. You don't have to say it or sing it like how I'm doing it now. This is for the giving purpose we are giving. But you can meditate and move your breath in such a way that rather than meditating, you are naturally breathing such a way from the belly to all the way. It moves, it clears, it permutates, it transforms, it transmutes, just like how he did to your immortal stage. Yes? So, this is how it goes. I will recite it 3 times. Palms facing open. Back straight, please. Thank you, beloved divine souls. Om Sivaya Namaya Navasima Mavayanasi Siyana Mavavasi Mayana Om Om Zivaya Namaya Navasima Mavayanasi Siyana Mavavasi Mayana Om Zivaya Namaya Namaziva Mavayanasi Siyana Mavavasi Mayana Om. With that, I'll let Swamiji introduce. Please. We want to dedicate this song to all of you.
Like what Amma said, we want to dedicate this song to all of you all. Is our Ekatom's theme song to all the masters who are sitting here, Dr. Yugandhar, Dr. Karthikeyan, and all those who have been working here, backstage, front stage, even the camera crew, everybody, and also to the beautiful ladies here. So you can either keep your eyes closed or open.
Please participate with us. This is a beautiful song about oneness. Listen wholeheartedly from your heart. Dim down the lights, please. Can you push up the volume? Thank you. Volume, please. Please push up the volume. Yes, I want them to feel the vibration of oneness here, right here. Dear beloved divine brothers and sisters, it is our great honor meeting all of you all. You will always feel the shared breath of oneness with us. And cradling, like the Divine Mother cradling a baby. I love you all. All in the shared breath of oneness, the Jyotis.
You're my mother, you're my father, you're my lover, you are my friend. You're the beginning,
You are the beginning,
you are the center,
you are the center.
and you are beyond the end.
Through the breath, you are beyond the end.
You are the color
You are the colors in your breath.
of the rainbow.
Through your 7 chakras.
You're the pure white light in me.
Oh, how beautiful you are.
You are the river
You are the river through your breath.
and the mountain.
The mountains within you.
Lord,
Lord,
you are the sky, you are the sea.
you are the sea.
And I love you so. You help me
See through the third eye as well.
See you in all is to see you in me. I'm in you and you're in me. I'm in you and
The
you're
breath is in everyone, right?
I'm in you and you're in me.
We are in the same breath, guys.
I'm in you and you're in me. Petals of a
Lotus is one.
lotus are
There are
many,
many in the Sahasra.
but the lotus is
But
one.
the lotus is one through the
Branches of a
spine.
tree, there are many,
There are many.
but the tree is one.
But the tree is one.
Teachers and many,
But the truth is one. Perfect song for World
Prophets
United.
and religions, there are many,
There are many, many, many through the breath of oneness.
but God is one.
We are all one. We are all God.
And I love you so. You help me see
See
you in all.
See you in all. Jai Mata.
See
Hey, Ma.
I'm in you and you're in me.
Mata.
I'm in you and you're in me.
We are all one.
I'm
Earth is one. Truth is one. We are all
I'm
one.
in you and you're in me.
What a beautiful lullaby.
I wanna touch you.
I want to touch you, your
I
breath.
wanna feel
You
you.
want to feel your breath, don't you?
Lord, I wanna be right by your side. I wanna know you.
Hold the breath.
Love you.
Love the breath. Love the
I
self.
wanna serve you all the time.
Oh yes, I'm serving the breath
'Cause
all
you're
the
my
time. Through every action.
mother. You are my father.
You are my mother. You are my father.
You are my lover. You're my friend. You are the beginning.
You're the beginning.
You are the center.
There's no beginning. There's no to
You
the breath.
are beyond the end.
Love you so.
Lord, you help me see.
Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Ma, 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 ma.
See you in me.
I'm in you and you're in me. I'm in you and you're in me.
Holy Father,
I'm in you and you're in me.
Holy Sister,
I'm in you and you're in me.
Holy Brother,
I'm in you and
you're in me. You make me so happy.
I'm in you and you're in me.
Divine energy.
Divine energy. We are all one. The shared breath of oneness. Ma, 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 ma. Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி
Open up our hearts.
அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தனி பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தனி பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி தனி பெரும் கருணை அருட்பெரும் ஜோதி.
Thank you, Swami and Amma, for enchanting this auditorium with such beautiful music.